VQMS, that stands for Vigorous Quality Management System, is a management consulting company towards quality and management. VQMS is a team of highly experienced and acknowledged experts in the field of training, consultation, and outsourcing services for national and international boundaries in Lean Six Sigma, quality and processes management, and other corporate boundaries, that is, corporate governance management. Auditing is a detailed examination of the financial reports of an organization. It is used to provide confidence for all the stakeholders that the organization's accounting reports are accurate. Auditing is referred to as the accumulation and evaluation of evidence to determine and report on the degree of correspondence between the information presented and the established criteria. Auditing should be done by a competent, independent person or entity. Lead auditor under auditing practices are the lead or managerial level best activities followed in audit management under audit certification. It is used to remove the gaps identified through audit practices in any organization. Audit applies to all types of organizations where ISO or similar standards are implemented. It doesn't matter what size they are or what they do. It can help both product and service organizations achieve standards of quality that are recognized and respected throughout the world using meaning gap analysis by a certified auditor. Internal auditing is the independent and objective evaluation of an organization's internal controls to effectively manage risk within its risk appetite. Internal audit should monitor that any weaknesses identified are also addressed. As an internal auditor, one should have the freedom to fulfill their responsibilities as they see fit. They must decide what subjects they audit and when, what issues they raise, and what rating they give. Some of the key features of ISO 45001 audit are: 1. Health and safety management compliance. 2. Business improvements or system improvements. 3. Credibility. 4. Health and safety management documentation. 5. Detect and prevention of frauds. And 6th, better planning and budgeting. ISO 45001 Health and Safety Management Systems standards is used globally towards prevention of occupational health and hazards at any organization. It is used to establish and update your organization's QMS. ISO QMS standards apply to almost all types of industries. It doesn't matter what size they are or what they have to do. ISO 45001 is a process standard towards health and safety of the organization. It generally helps organizations achieve standards of process quality that are recognized and respected throughout the world. For example, insurance of employees as a necessity by every organization. ISO 45001 under ISO family of standards, which relates to quality management systems and is designed to help organizations ensure they meet the needs of customers and other stakeholders towards health and safety. For further information, you can visit our website www.vqms.co.in and also follow our social media handles. Thank you.